It's just now entering into the very hot Gulf waters, 90 to 100 degrees. They're record setting, and that's going to fuel the storm as it continues to truck north. You can see the center of the circulation there over the last several hours. This counterclockwise swirl with the outer rain bands just about to reach the Keys. Here it is at a Category 1 hurricane, strengthening overnight from a tropical storm status. Right now, Category 1 with 75-mile-per-hour winds, continuing to strengthen to a Category 3 before making landfall around this time tomorrow near the Nature coastline. That's right here, so out towards Gainesville, Tallahassee, looking like going to bear the brunt of the highest winds. But with that counterclockwise rotation, that means we're going to be taking a bunch of seawater, pushing it towards Tampa as well, where storm surge could get up to 4 to 7 feet high. Tampa's record high storm surge is only 4 feet, and that's the low end of what's supposed to happen. So still likely a widespread impact from Idalia as it moves towards the Gulf Coast of Florida. Then by Wednesday afternoon, this will be inland as a Category 1 hurricane near Valdosta, Georgia. Still expecting tropical impacts through the Carolinas as well, with heavy rain and some gusty winds before all this exits into the open Atlantic by Friday morning. Our weather looks pretty quiet. In fact, the energy from Idalia is sucking up a lot of the moisture, so we don't have any rain chances in our forecast the rest of the week. We had a couple showers overnight. Those have since exited with temps in the 60s right now. A sun-cloud mix this afternoon with temps getting to the low 80s with a bit of a breeze out of the north. Rain is done. That exited on the southeast side of the state just last hour, and it looks like that continues to move out as we get through the rest of the morning, with a sun-cloud mix expected through the rest of the day. A bit of a breeze will pick up out of the north with low humidity filtering in and temps that look pretty pleasant and pretty seasonal today. As for this morning, we're all in the 60s, and we're going to get to the low 80s this afternoon, which is fairly seasonal. Now, temps get cooler before a heat wave this weekend. Low to mid 70s tomorrow, coolest high temps I have in the whole forecast. Mid to upper 70s on Thursday, mid 80s by Friday, and we have a string of 90-degree weather starting on Saturday, lasting all weekend long. Looks like a high chance for hotter than normal conditions heading into the first week of September, so it looks like another long-lived hot stretch of weather for us after just getting out of a hot stretch last week, right? Does also look like a drier than normal stretch of weather, too. Up to 80 degrees today with a sun-cloud mix and a bit of a breeze out of the north this afternoon. Clear and cooler down to 50 tonight. Clear skies means it's good to see our full blue supermoon with clear trend continuing tomorrow, up to 73. 77 on Thursday, 86 on Friday, and there you see many 90-degree days ahead through the holiday weekend. 92 Saturday, 94 back-to-back days Sunday and on Monday, and I expect more 90s in the forecast next work week as well.